Productivity is all about our mood, and our mood is shaped by our environment. So here are 5 scientifically backed vibe boosting accessories to help you boost your mood and hopefully boost your productivity either at work or at home. Starting with number 1, accessories for a clean, tidy mind. Now you can see from my workspace, I have quite a small workspace. I need to keep things simple, I need to keep things clean, and I need to keep things organized. And so these trays, these holders, these coasters, these areas where these little nooks and crannies belong, where they are organized, where my brain has made a physical association that this thing belongs here, really helps with reducing the time it takes to find things, but more importantly, keeps the aesthetic of the workspace clean and tidy. And in a recent study, 94% of people said they felt more productive in a clean and tidy workspace, while 77% of those people said they felt they produced things of a higher quality because they were in a cleaner workspace. These ones I have here are from Oakwood. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out Oakwood stuff. They're quite cool because they magnetically connect as well, if you really care about that kind of thing. But you can get cheaper stuff, not necessarily from Oakwood. This video isn't sponsored by them. So trays, holders, organizers, things to keep your stuff where you know you're going to find them. And on a similar note, number 2 is accessories to help reduce the friction. And for me, it's a pegboard. I have a pegboard right next to my desk where I work, where I've got my keys, I've got my pen and pencils, I've got my tripod for my phone, I've got my SSD drive, all within an arm's reach. I don't have to get up off my chair. And that frictionless experience really increases my productivity. It means I spend less time looking for things and having to get up, and more time in a flow state, able to just sit there and get my work done. So anything that increases your accessibility to things, that's a go. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below for the pegboard that I have. Most of them are from Ikea, but you could probably get them from Amazon as well. Number 3 are accessories to stay hydrated. Yes, that means a water bottle. I have a fancy water bottle from Larq. It doesn't need to be a Larq water bottle. It could just be a standard water bottle. Anything that you can sip throughout the day is better than just a glass of water that you'll drink and then you'll have to then get up and fill again. If you have a nice big water bottle that you can just pick up really quickly and stay hydrated, it's so important. In fact, a recent study suggests that a 1% drop in hydration can lead to a 12% drop in productivity. So quite simply, hydration affects the way our brains function. So if you want to stay productive, you need to stay hydrated. And if you want to stay hydrated easily, get yourself a water bottle. I'll leave a link to the Larq one in the description. It's pretty good because it keeps things cold for 24 hours, which is really nice. I like drinking cold water, but again, any water bottle that you can sip from will do. Number 4, accessories that bring nature indoors. So around 70% of people say that plants improve the atmosphere at home or at work. And 31% of people say that greenery helps them concentrate whilst working. And the first ever study on this topic suggests that productivity can be improved by 15% just by having greenery at home. There was some really good research done in the book Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal. An experiment was conducted in a hospital where patients recovering from the same operation were split into 2 groups. The first group looked at a hospital wall, and that's all they had to look at all day. They didn't have much of a view. The second group looked out to the hospital gardens, which was rich with greenery and trees and forests and blah, blah, blah. And they found that over time, the people that looked out to nature recovered quicker than those that just stared at the hospital wall. So does that mean you should go out and buy a whole bunch of plants and trees for your room? No, not necessarily. Even imagery of plants and nature can help have the same effect. So do what you can. Bring a little bit of greenery into your workspace, and that will really boost your mood and hopefully boost your productivity. And number 5 are accessories that boost your confidence. Now, this is a bit of a strange one, but I find that when I talk into a microphone, I feel more confident. I really feel it. I've been feeling it for years, especially because I work from home a lot. That when I'm on Zoom calls, having that peripheral there helps me speak with more intention, and actually people take me more seriously because I have a fuller, more present voice on the other end. I'll leave a link in the description to my Shure MV7 microphone. It's pretty good. You could get any microphone, any cardioid voice microphone will do. You can even get one of these DJI mics if you really wanted to, although I probably wouldn't recommend this for conference calls. Now, the microphone is an accessory that helps me boost my sense of self-confidence. There might be another one for you, and I'd love to hear in the comments below, what do you have in your workspace that helps you in terms of your confidence or just in terms of your productivity in general? Thanks again for watching the Feel Productive channel, and if you like this stuff, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, I'll always try and get back to you. And if you're interested in my views on the Apple Vision Pro and whether it can help you boost your productivity, click on the video after this one. I'll see you on the next one. Stay productive.